Did you know people pick up their phones every 6 minutes on average? That's based on a study of 150 million users. Let's talk about why that's a slippery slide we need to be aware of. My name is Natanya and I've been a digital marketer for the past 4 years. This statistic highlights a bigger issue. Many of us are prioritizing work over everything else, our health, our families, ourselves. But it doesn't have to be this way. Think about it for a minute. How often do we let work overshadow our personal lives? Tucking your kids into bed should be just as important as finishing that report. Yet many of us sacrifice family time for work, thinking that is the only way to succeed. We often feel stuck because of our mindset, not our situation. When you believe your job is the end-all be-all, it's easy to feel trapped. But the truth is, we have the power to change our priorities and find balance. When you're purpose-driven, work doesn't feel like a burden. Imagine waking up excited to do what you love, whether it's your job or spending time with your loved ones. That's the difference between a drag and a joy. Now, I know it can be hard to make these changes, especially if you're used to a high-pressure job. But balancing your life isn't about doing this. It's about making room for what truly matters and finding fulfillment. If you're ready to transform your work-life balance and find joy in what you do, drop ready in the comments. Discover how our interactive digital marketing program can help you work smarter, not harder, and focus on what truly matters. Remember, you're not stuck. You're just one decision away from a more fulfilling life.